Have you ever wondered what it could feel like to drive worry-free of speeding tickets? In this video, I'll show you how you can with the Radenso radar and AL priority laser system that we installed on this Audi SQ7. We start every project by doing preliminary testing with 4 different laser guns to help us determine the most powerful combination of laser jammers with the best placement. The front and rear of the vehicle received 3 laser jammers to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed. The front and rear radar detectors are hidden behind the bumpers and will alert you of police threats from ahead and behind. On the interior of the vehicle, the Radenso display controller was molded into the overhead panel for a factory appearance. In these video clips, you can see what the cop sees when the laser jammers are on and off. With the system, you can program them to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you can slow down to a speed that you're okay with before the cops get a reading. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from Automods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel.